Another beautiful day, fumbling my way through life. This is a recap of some of the highlights of day 5 and 6. I'm doing the TransAmerica Trail riding from North Carolina to Oregon. And up until this point, I have not gotten my feet wet. My boots, I have the Tech 3s, the Alpine Stars, have done pretty good at keeping me dry, but we'll see how that goes. And this section of the trail is getting closer to the Tennessee border. I'm starting in North Carolina and I'm headed west. And coming up right here, I get a little bit too confident and you can see I about lost it down this hill. You can't really make sharp turns on gravel like that because it's hard packed underneath and then small gravel kind of sitting on top, and it's almost like riding on marbles. And believe it or not, these are still the TKC 70s that came on the bike originally, and it's around 6,000 miles on them right now. These tires are rated at 60% on-road and 40% off-road, and I didn't want to buy new tires because these still had pretty good life left before I left for the trip. So later on I'll have more aggressive tread tires mailed to a shop where I can switch them out before I start going into the Rocky Mountains. I was surprised that even over all of this wet rock that they still had pretty good grip even when it was underwater. And coming up, this guy scared me. You'll see, I see him briefly here, and then fast forward a little bit, it wraps around and he had ran up a hill and he met me there and was trying to bite my leg. I'm about to climb up there. I just stopped off my bike. Another cool spot. This is the Nantahala Forest. Yeah, we're going up there. Ooh. Oh yeah. Not very easy in these big boots. Oh. This is me right now. I'm on this ledge. There's my bike way down there. Interesting circle up here. Of course, you litter with an American flag. I'm going to take this route. Oh! I'm out of here in these big ass boots and a full jacket. So early September is hot. Alright, we're back. Coming up, you'll see one of my silliest mistakes and cut it a little bit too close. You see how steep that hill is? I about lost it. It was a good learning opportunity that if you need to turn around on the trail and there's a big hill or cliff, start on the cliff side and turn into the hill so that if you do lose it or need to, drop your bike for any reason, you're dropping it up the mountain instead of down the mountain. And after 5 days of riding, I finally made it out of my home state of North Carolina. It took a lot longer to make it through the North Carolina section than I thought it would. All right, night number 6. Gathered up a little firewood. Gonna start a fire when it gets a little bit darker because bears. Hammock over here. Arnold Palmer. We're able to park and camp along the river. This is Tennessee, Cherokee National Forest, and this is day 6 of the TransAmerica Trail, which I've done about 860.2 miles. A couple of people have asked, am I afraid? And yeah, I am. I'm just kidding. I'm really not that afraid. I got my handy dandy headlight that goes red, and I keep a pocket knife on me. I've been trying to ride like 8 or 10 hours a day, power through North Carolina and Tennessee, make it out to the western states where things get a lot more exciting. My back and my ass are hurting. I'm having a pretty good time. You know, it is a big adventure. While there is a lot of excitement, a lot of hours to sit and think, you know, it would be really nice to sleep in my bed. It's about just reaching the goal, the TransAmerica Trail from one side of the country to the other. When it's said and done, I'll be proud of what I've accomplished. Hey everybody, here's where I stayed last night. There's the bike. All this shit has to go back on the bike. That is everything onto the bike. It's a little bit better than it was yesterday. All this stuff right here, I carry on my person. That's that, we're ready to roll.